Hey guys, it's Baldwin here. So what I have pulled up is your States of Matter lab. I've had a couple of you reach out for some clarification. So before you even start the lab, I want you to draw the way a solid looks, a liquid looks, and a gas looks as far as how their particles are arranged. Are they nice and neat? Are they close together? Are they far apart? And when you're doing that, I want you to use at least 10 circles for each of these phases, and then give me a written description of each. So you're going to do that before you start the lab. Then you can go ahead and click on the title, and it's going to take you to the Phet Interactive. You're going to start with States of Matter. So once you are here, it gives you 4 different substances: neon, argon, oxygen, and water. So here you've got 4 different molecules: neon, argon, oxygen, and water. And so you see how it changes based on what it is. So down here is where you can apply heat or take heat away. So the trick with this down here is you have to click and hold. You can't just move it. So if I want to add heat, I have to keep holding it up here. If I want to take away heat, I have to keep holding it down here. Now, right here is your thermometer. Go ahead and click that and change it to Celsius. So then once you're here, you're going to put in all of your degrees in Celsius. So what you want to do is play with the temperature to see if there is a way you can make neon into a solid, a liquid, or a gas, and then you're going to repeat that for all 4 of these substances. So once you've done that, you should be able to answer these next questions. And then again, same thing, you can click this and it'll take you back to this main site. And then you're going to go to phase changes. And then again, you've got neon, argon, oxygen, and water once again. And then down here, it's showing you the different graphs between pressure and temperature. So we're going to talk about this later in the week. But again, down here, you're going to have to hold when you had heat or hold when you take away heat. And again, you want to make sure that this is in Celsius. So that's part 3. And then part 4 is this graph that we looked at last week that talks about the phase changes from solid adding thermal heat all the way to gas. So you're going to look at this graph and then answer these 3 bullet points right down here. So I hope that cleared up some of your questions. If you still are a little confused on anything, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great day. First hour, guys, I will see you on Wednesday the 9th. 8th hour, guys, I will see you on Tuesday the 8th. Have a great rest of your weekend.